Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Technical Subhashis. Today in this video I will talk about how to flip the desktop screen. So without wasting time, let's start. To flip the desktop screen, there is one keyboard shortcut. So I will show the keyboard as well as the computer screen. To flip the screen, the key combination is Ctrl plus Alt plus arrow key. So there are 4 arrow keys. So if you press Ctrl plus Alt plus right arrow key, then it rotates your screen 90 degrees. If you press Ctrl plus Alt plus down arrow keys, it flips it upside down, that is 180 degree. And if you press Ctrl plus Alt plus left arrow key, then it rotates 270 degrees. And Ctrl plus Alt plus up arrow key returns your screen to its normal upright rotation. Now I have shown how to flip your computer screen. Comment below how is the video. If you like this video, like and share with your friends. If you have not subscribed my channel, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.